Before I talk about Stellenbosch and Sundowns, the 1-1 result today, um, I did this on this platform, We Talk Football SA. I did congratulate Sundowns for reaching the finals of the CAF Champions League. But I just want to do it here now at Loftus. That is Loftus. This is Loftus Stadium. This is Loftus Versfeld Stadium. So I just want to do it here. Ngifuna lento ukuthi ngiyenze la ngithi hayi Sundowns siyabonga into eniyenzayo inhle. You are representing South Africa very well. You are representing South Africa very well. It's not for the first time you've been doing it. So if you win this, I will come and sleep here at Loftus Versfeld Stadium just to appreciate what you are doing. Yes, I support Pirates. Did I say I support Pirates? No, I'm not allowed to say that on air. But I support Pirates. But I support Pirates because they are playing football. So Sundowns is doing very well in CAF. Today, Sundowns got a draw, 1-1. I think they can take that home. They said they are going to take that home. Yes, the supporters that we interviewed today. But I have a feeling that the league might be, no, it's not slipping away, but might be slipping away. They have a game in hand. They are going to play Richards Bay, which is not an easy team. They are going to play Polokwane City, which is not an easy team. So I think it's down to the wire. According to me, the league is going to be decided in the last two or one game. Last two or the last game. I believe so. Though football has surprises. And out of these 5 games that are still remaining for all the teams, points are still going to be dropped. I don't know who is going to drop how many points. But even Sundowns can still drop a point or two. Pirates can still drop points. Chiefs can still drop points because Chiefs, I'm told they are still in the race as well. I'm told they are still in the race as well. So we'll see. But anyway, the league is getting interesting. If all the teams can keep this momentum, we'll have a hunting of a league next season. We Talk Football SA. This is Mnikeni Mtunga. Thank you.